learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on Icrt FM 100.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. We're right in the middle of summer. It's the month of July right now. And this is, of course, typhoon season for this part of the world. 其实现在呢，因为7月份的关系，对不对？台风陆续呢都会进进出出的，越少越好啦。但是呢，因为现在是夏天，又是台风季节，我们想说让大家呢可以多学学有关台风的一些须知跟客语。
Okay.
好不好？ But let's first hear this news article.
Typhoons can be dangerous things. To keep yourself safe, when typhoons come along, stay well away from coastal and mountainous areas. Store up plenty of food, batteries, flashlight, and a radio, and keep the cell phone charged. Good preparation can keep you safe and secure on typhoon days.
So once again, typhoon season is upon us, and there are certain measures you can take to keep yourself safe and sound. 这个台风季节来了，我们先教大家怎么说台风这两个字。
风灾。
风灾，这是风灾的意思咯。
对，风灾。
Okay, that actually literally means a wind disaster, which is a typhoon. Again, 风灾。Okay, 台风。那有些小东西要准备好，比如说手电筒。电池，
收音机
收音机要随时都可以收听最新的这个状况。
对，
万一没电的话，对不对？收音机是最方便的一个媒体了。All right, so let's teach you how to say a flashlight. 手电筒。
数天筒哎。
数天筒哎。Okay, that's a flashlight. Then there's the radio. 收音机。
收音机。
收音机。Okay, that's a radio. And don't forget, without batteries, they won't work. 其实最重要的还是电池，因为这两个一定要电池吧。对 So make sure you have fresh batteries. 电池。天池。Okay, that's how you say battery. 可是现在人都是用手机，对不对？听收音机也是手机，手机不能装电池，
赶快打电话。
所以手机其实有的时候也要充饱饱的，或者是有备电池那种。
对。
Nowadays, a lot of people utilize your cell phone to get radio signals, to listen to radio and whatnot. So make sure that your cell phone is always fully charged, and maybe have a backup power somewhere too. And let's go ahead and review these terms. 台风。
风灾。
That's a typhoon. And then your flashlight. 手电筒。
数天筒哎。
And then you have your radio. 收音机。
收音机。
And some batteries. 电池。
天池。
And there you go. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.